How to unhide chats on Pinterest. In order to do so, you may follow up this method. So open up Pinterest on your device, and once you are on the Pinterest interface, what you can do is simply tap on the bottom right corner, the profile in the bottom right corner. And once you tap on profile, this opens up. Now from here, what you can do is tap on your name, your profile at the top left corner of your screen. And after that, here we will be finding different options. Now from the given option, select the option called social permissions from your settings. And then once you go ahead to social permissions, we have this option of message settings. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, what you can do is in this everyone else section, go ahead and tap on it. And here we have this option called request, tap on it. Similarly, we have this following option, go ahead and tap on it again. And in this following, also tap on inbox. Select the first option and hit back. After that, we have followers, tap on it. And followers, change it to inbox as well. And the friends into inbox as well. Once that is done, what happens is if anyone sends you a message, you will be getting the messages here and it won't be unhidden. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.